And the Hard Facts company was founded nearly 45 years ago. We are proud to say we do everything in Germany. It's 100% made in Germany. And until now we have sold 20 million luminaries, which is a lot for us. That means 35,000 luminaries a month. We do have 150 employees, just sell and production, and we do have 15,000 customers worldwide. We are based right in the middle, and we have partners all over the world, and my favorite partner is Edge. We really enjoy the time together and celebrate as much as we can. So we are producing emergency lighting systems. You do know luminaries that have included a battery, self-contained luminaries. This is only a small market in Germany. It's about 20% of the whole emergency lighting is self-contained. The rest is central systems. Starting from a smaller one to a bigger one, it depends it starts from, let's say, a cinema, and it goes up to a skyscraper or a shopping mall. It's individual. The maximum or the minimum load is 200 watt, and the maximum is about 200 kVA by central battery systems. We do also produce a system which is called Power Pack. It's a battery-based diesel generator, you can say, that we, from the regulation part, that we use a lot in Europe because of air emission. So it is quite a new product, but it's running quite well. Of course, we need to have exit lines to show the escape route, different designs, different styles. The design is very important, material is very important. The most sold material is stainless steel, not polycarbonate or not plastic, it's stainless steel, which is very popular for the architectures and for the owner of the buildings, because it is really a part of where the first one is entering the hotel, the bank. The first thing they should see is quality, and this is the reason why we decided to have 80% of stainless steel products. Some new designs, okay. Of course, we also need to have emergency lighting. That is light to give on the floor that you find the exit door. Yeah. This also has to be reduced to a minimum of design. Has to be integrated in the normal lighting if it's possible, so that there's there's a clean ceiling. There's no separate luminary existing. Okay, 5 more minutes to go. Next step is LEED green buildings. Has anyone ever heard of LEED green buildings? Yes, so you do know. Would you explain it to us what it is? No, just kidding. So to summarize, the most never heard of it, what is LEED? LEED is a popular thing, which is a global standard of measuring the sustainability of buildings. And that's a global one. That means if you are in Europe or here or everywhere in the world, they try to reach the LEED silver, gold and platinum certification. That's summarized to the main core. Yeah? This is what it looks like when you read it completely. You don't have to, I can explain it to you. But at the end of the day, it's about how many water is the building using. What is the energy use of the building? Is it reduced to a minimum? Yeah, and it's about what kind of material are you using. It starts from the carpet. It's from the ceiling. It is about emergency lighting. So what it is you earn points, and by using those certified products, you are able to reach a silver, gold, or platinum certificate. Why is that so important? Of course, it's sustainability. The main reason for that is if your building reaches, let's say, gold status, it is a much better way to sell your building in the future. And that is why nearly every second building in Germany is now LEED certificated. When you sell it again, you get a much higher price for it. Sorry.
1 second.
No skiing next time.
Have some hot beverages.
Yeah,
For
you're
your
right.
throat.
7 Up. It's cold.
You're going for cold.
You're right, you're right. So every producer worldwide now tries to get their products LEED certificated in gold or silver, because they are necessary. It's necessary to have a certification to bring your products to a project. If you don't have a certification, you don't get points. The project doesn't get points, and so they can't reach a higher level of silver, gold, and platinum. And I'm proud to say that we are the first manufacturer worldwide that does have a LEED certification on their emergency lighting, which does exist since 2 years now, and it's a very, very high standard to produce it. And we have decided to produce it as a standard. So it's not an option, it's a standard. To give you an idea, the tower 1 of 158 is now silver, the German bank towers are gold, and the European Central Bank, which are all made by us, or delivered by us, is now platinum. In UAE, you do have until now 105 LEED certified projects, which is a very, very good standard right now, and it's getting much more fast growing market in UAE. And at the end of the day, there's the National Museum in Oslo, which tries to be the best, which wants to reach more than platinum. It's just what they try to do, and let's see what happens. So that's mainly it. So if you have any questions, please be free to ask, and I will try to answer.
Yeah, we could just hand over the.
Don't use my.
Come louder.
Yeah.
Regarding what supporting supporting the fair speaking system, because you are putting support.
So once again.
You told you are putting support fair speaking system.
Oi, 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 oi. Halt mal.
Okay.
How long the backup of the panel support
What is the life?
the ventilation fans and even the speaker system, because the speaker system is operated by diesel pump and electrical pump,
Yeah.
and this is the minimum. The life.
Duration time. Duration time. What is he meaning? What is it? Sorry.
So,
This is the time.
so basically we have 3 hours backup.
Ah.
Okay, the
Sorry.
backup duration, if you're looking at the backup duration, it's working for 3 hours.
Yeah.
You mean the duration time? Okay, it's always 3 hours. 3 hours, and in some cases you need to have 8 hours.
There is many facilities. There is stress fans,
Yeah.
ventilation, sprinkler system.
Yes.
All these 3 hours.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay. So now I know. Okay.
Now I did understand. Okay, the question is the duration for all safety components 3 hours? No, it's not. It depends on the country you are living in. For emergency lighting, it is 3 hours. For pumps, for sprinklers, which we also give power to them. It's about the fire resistance of the cable. If you do have a 90-minute fire cable, it's 90-minute battery time. If you do have 30 minutes, it's 30-minute battery time. That's mainly. One more question? Then, thanks for coming. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the fair and see you next time. Thank you very much. Thank you.